In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel premium on MyFitnessPal. Step-by-step guide. If you've decided the premium features aren't for you or you just don't need them right now, I'll walk you through exactly where to go in the app and what to expect along the way, so you can cancel quickly and confidently. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. On the welcome screen, tap Login. Enter your account credentials carefully, making sure your email and password match the account that has the premium membership. If you need to, you can use the password reset link on that screen, but otherwise, go ahead and sign in. Tap Login again to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the More option, usually found in the bottom navigation bar. Tap More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you control your account preferences and subscription details. Inside Settings, tap Premium Subscription. This section shows your current plan, renewal date, and billing information. It's helpful to glance at the renewal date so you know when your benefits will end after cancellation. Next, choose Premium Annual Plan. If you see that the annual plan is marked as active, that's the one tied to your account right now. Tapping into it will bring up the management options for your membership. Now tap Cancel Subscription. The app may display a short message explaining what happens when you cancel, such as keeping premium access until the end of your current billing period. Read that carefully so there are no surprises, then continue. You'll be asked to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This feedback helps the team understand why users leave and can improve the product over time. To finish, tap Cancel Subscription again to confirm. You may see a final prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Confirm it, and your cancellation will be scheduled. You'll retain premium features until the date shown, and after that, your account will switch to the free version. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're signed into the same account that originally upgraded to premium. Keep a note of your renewal or expiration date for reference. Canceling premium does not delete your account, your logs, or your progress. You'll still be able to use MyFitnessPal with free features anytime. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the right place, confirmed your choice, and canceled your MyFitnessPal premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped simplify the process for you.